In this video, I'll guide you through how to optimize Steam Remote Play in just 5 minutes. With a few simple setting changes, you can improve streaming performance and reduce lag while using Steam Remote Play. Start by opening Steam and signing into your account. Then click Steam in the top left corner, select Settings, and open the Remote Play section. Set Allow Direct Connection IP Sharing to Automatic, then enable Advanced Host Options. Turn on hardware encoding and prioritize network traffic for smoother streaming and lower latency. Next, enable Advanced Client Options and set video stream quality to fast. Set the bandwidth limit to unlimited, or choose a limit that matches your internet connection. Leave the resolution limit on automatic, and make sure hardware decoding is enabled on your client device. Once you've applied these settings, you're ready to enjoy a smoother and more responsive Steam Remote Play experience. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!